becoming essential in India, particularly in urban settings where they can enhance road safety, simplify insurance claims, and provide added parking security. Today, we'll be reviewing 5 popular dash cams under 10,000 rupees, highlighting their features and helping you find the one that best fits your needs. The models we'll cover include the Cubo Dash Cam Pro, NextDigitron Prime Dual Channel, DD Pi Mini Pro, 70 Me Pro Plus Plus A500S, and CP Plus CP-AD H2BW. First in the list is Cubo Dash Cam Pro. The Cubo Dash Cam Pro offers reliable Full HD recording and Wi-Fi connectivity, which makes transferring videos and setting up easy for most users. It features loop recording and a G-sensor for impact detection, with support for up to a 256GB SD card. Users find it easy to install, and its compact design and good low-light performance make it convenient for daily use. However, some have reported Wi-Fi connectivity issues and noted that the app could be improved with more features. With no GPS or radars, this dashcam is perfect for budget-conscious users looking for basic, reliable video footage for regular use. Number 2 is NextDigitron Prime Dual Channel. The NextDigitron Prime Dual Channel dashcam delivers impressive video quality with a 2K front camera and a Full HD rear camera, covering a wide field of view. Its GPS capability enables route tracking, and it also has Wi-Fi for easy connectivity, making it a strong choice for both city and highway drivers. However, durability concerns with mounting and wiring have been noted, and since it relies on the car battery, it lacks an internal battery, which may limit its usefulness when parked. This dashcam is ideal for drivers needing front and rear video coverage along with GPS tracking. Third one is DD Pi Mini Pro. For those seeking a compact option, the DD Pi Mini Pro stands out with its sharp 1.5K resolution and small design, making it a practical choice for tight car interiors. It's equipped with Wi-Fi, loop recording, and a supercapacitor for heat resistance, a valuable feature for India's hot summers. While it lacks GPS and ADAS, the dashcam's sharp visuals and sturdy build make it an excellent choice for urban drivers who want high-quality footage without advanced extras. Fourth is 70 Me Pro Plus Plus A500S. This dashcam stands out with its 2.7K resolution, slightly above Full HD, and dual-channel capability. It includes ADAS features for driver alerts, along with GPS for tracking routes, which is particularly useful for long-distance travel. However, it's on the higher end of this price range, and some users have reported occasional connectivity issues with the app. This model is best suited for drivers seeking high-end features like ADAS and GPS but who don't need a full 4K model. Lastly, the CP Plus CP-AD H2BW provides solid 1080p video quality at an affordable price with support for up to a 512GB SD card, making it suitable for extended recordings. Its wide dynamic range, WDR, helps capture clear footage even in low-light conditions, and it's user-friendly with simple mounting and setup. However, this model has limited durability with its mount and lacks dual-channel recording, making it less suitable for users needing broader coverage. It's a good pick for beginners or budget-conscious users who want clear visuals and basic safety features. To wrap up, here's a quick recommendation guide. The 70 Me Pro Plus Plus A500S is the best all-around with high-resolution, GPS, and ADAS. The Cubo Dashcam Pro is perfect for those on a budget needing essential features. The NextDigitron Prime is a reliable option for dual-channel recording. The DD Pi Mini Pro offers compact design and quality footage for city driving. And the CP Plus CP-AD H2BW is ideal for those needing maximum storage. Overall, choosing a dashcam depends on your priorities, whether it's video quality, additional features, or budget.